Hello and welcome to DPA Product of the Year. I'm very pleased to be with Mr. Blake Shields of Tapeswitch, and he's going to be talking to us about HaloProtect. So Blake, it's over to you to convince our readers why HaloProtect should be considered Product of the Year.
When I talk about HaloProtect and what it is, I go back to how much as people we travel. Every time that we board an aircraft, we put our trust into pilots, cabin crews. But behind every safe flight, there's another team of people that we rarely see. And thousands of maintenance engineers carry out daily inspections, repairs, to keep aircraft flying safely. We launched HaloProtect in October 2025 at the Maintenance, Repairs and Operations Show in London. And it generated an incredible interest from the airlines, from the MRO centres, equipment manufacturers, and the rental providers that often use this industry. So since then, we've been working with some of the biggest names in aviation on how the product can support them on an operational point, a financial point, and they use this on a daily basis. So what makes up a HaloProtect? So HaloProtect is made up of a lightweight modular aluminium frame. We combine with bespoke mounting brackets that attaches onto the machines. Surrounding the frame, we have a closed cell foam and durable covers. And at the heart of the system is what Tapeswitch's proven ribbon switch technology does. The switches provide a continuous detection of instantly recognizing a contact, which then can stop the machine movement before like a minor impact becomes quite a major incident. The product's been designed so that it can be customized for virtually any make or scissor lift or boom lift, which are used daily in this sector. And the benefits of HaloProtect, we summed them up into 4 really key points. It's designed to protect the assets. The aircrafts cost a lot of money. The hangars, the equipment that are in these huge aircraft hangars. So protecting the assets, protecting the operators, reducing entrapment risks through creating a safer working environment for the people that are using these products. Protecting the actual equipment, which is the scissor lifts, the boom lifts, keeping them access equipment operational, reducing repairs and downtime costs, but most importantly, promoting the behavior of the driver, encouraging safer operational practices when working at height and when we're working, ultimately they work very close to the assets at this point. So, why is it important for this product? A single impact in an aircraft hangar can have such huge consequences. The repair costs I've mentioned, the damage of the equipment, the delayed maintenance schedules, the grounded aircraft for one, the reports that are required and the time and the cost behind the reports. It escalates from tens of thousands of pounds to hundreds of thousands of pounds so quickly. Preventing just one incident with this system can justify its investment ultimately straight away, and it also keeps engineers productive and the aircraft available for service. For its innovation, its operational impact, the scalability globally, and its the commitment that this product is to aviation, making it a safer place to work, is a reason why we think that HaloProtect is a deserving winner of a Product of the Year.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Blake. It's clearly a lot more to find out about this product. So the link will be available so that you can go straight across, find out more about the Tapeswitch product, and of course talk to Blake and see how it might work for you. Thanks very much for watching.